Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the mouse scrolling in Scratch. Now, let's get started. Okay, so to do this, what we need to do is whatever you want to do while it's scrolling, just get all of those blocks and then um, go to the events and grab when up arrow keys pressed, and then get an if statement, and then if key or if not key up arrow pressed, not key up arrow pressed, then you can do whatever you want. So I'm going to change Y by 10. I'm going to make this for down arrow and do the negative value. So change Y by 10 and change Y by negative 10. So as you can see, if I tried, it should change Y by 10, but it's not. I think that's a bit weird. Guessing it's a bug in Scratch, but okay, so let me see if I can let's see if I put this in a forever loop then. See what happens. Then I can change Y by negative 10. It seems to work and then it doesn't work. So let me see what's happening. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to, okay. Here. I think what's happening is that. Okay, so if not key up arrow press, I think this needs to be when down arrow pressed, then you change Y, when up arrow pressed. There you go. So as you can see, it is working. So I need to make this up arrow, down arrow. So yeah, that was a tutorial on how to make this awesome, how to use the scroller key in Scratch. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you very soon next time.